is adding a sleek new compact sedan to its lineup soon, the K4. It features a Stinger-inspired fastback roofline and wide rear fenders that give the car a sporty stance. The base engine will be the same 147 horsepower four-cylinder that was used in last year's Forte, but the top-of-the-line GT line turbo trim will offer a 190 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder. The K4 is slightly larger than the Forte, and its interior is designed to be more spacious, especially for those sitting in the back seat. This puts it in line with other compact sedans like the Honda Civic, Mazda 3, Toyota Corolla and Volkswagen Jetta. The K4 will be in Kia dealerships in the fall of 2024, with a hatchback version likely to be released in the US as a 2026 model year. What's new for 2025? Kia is entering the North American market with a new nameplate, the K4. This model is expected to go on sale in 2025 and will replace Kia's current Forte compact car. An EV4 electric model could also join the lineup at the same time. Pricing and which one to buy? The 2025 Kia K4 starts at $23,145, depending on trim and options, and goes up to $29,245 for the top-tier GT line turbo trim. LX, $23,145. LXS, $24,145. EX, $25,145. GT line, $26,345. GT line turbo, $29,245. The fully featured GT line turbo stands out with its attractive price tag of just under $30,000. The extra power from the turbocharged four-cylinder engine also provides a big boost in performance. Engine, transmission, and performance. Most 2025 Kia K4 models feature a 147 horsepower 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, front-wheel drive, and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT. This powertrain is carried over from the 2024 Forte, and we found that vehicle to be underwhelming in terms of performance. This combination is likely to provide a similar experience in the K4. But Kia is offering a 190 horsepower 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder as an upgrade for those looking for more power. This more powerful engine is available only on the GT line turbo trim and comes with a traditional 8-speed automatic transmission. The GT line turbo also features a more advanced multi-link rear suspension, while all other K4 models use a torsion beam rear suspension. We'll update this story with our driving impressions and performance test results when we have a chance to test both models. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Kia has organized the interior design of the 2025 K4 in a simple and modern way. The instrument panel stands out with a clean line, while a large infotainment screen also attracts attention. Despite the widespread use of digitalization in the automotive industry, the fact that the K4 still has some physical control buttons shows that it aims to offer a user-friendly experience. The steering wheel of the K4, on the other hand, stands out with a two-spoke design and an offset logo, unlike other Kia models. We will update this news in detail when we learn more about the standard and optional features. Infotainment and connectivity. The Kia K4's infotainment system has a structure that prioritizes technology. The dimensions of the standard infotainment system are not yet known, but in upper trim levels, two 12.3-inch screens will be offered on a single flat panel. In this multi-screen arrangement, one screen serves as a reconfigurable instrument panel, while the other screen provides access to various features such as navigation, radio, and climate control. There's also a third 5.0-inch screen between the two larger screens that controls the climate. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on the K4, while Sirius XM satellite radio and in-dash navigation are likely to be available on higher trims. Safety and driver assistance features. The Kia K4 offers a range of standard driver assistance features on all models. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection and standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist. More advanced technologies, such as evasive steering assist and adaptive cruise control with lane centering, are available as options. For more information on crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA) and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety (IIHS) websites. Key safety features: standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with lane centering is available. Warranty and maintenance coverage. The Kia K4 stands out with its powertrain warranty. While most models offer a 5-year/60,000 powertrain warranty, the K4 is an exception. The K4 offers a 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Additionally, the limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles, but no complimentary scheduled maintenance is offered. This generous coverage sets the K4 apart from many other vehicles in this segment.